Experiencing touchscreen issues in your Honda Accord? Let's clarify the difference between a reboot and a factory reset. A reboot or soft reset is like restarting your phone. It clears temporary glitches without erasing your personal data. Try this first by holding the power button or cycling the ignition. A factory reset, on the other hand, wipes all your data, restoring the system to its default settings. This is a more drastic step and should only be used if a reboot doesn't solve the problem. Remember to back up any important data if possible before performing a factory reset. Also know that models 2018-2021 without OTA support, resets are a go-to fix. Environmental factors, like extreme temperatures, can also be a cause. Honda has emphasized software patches over hardware replacements, with the 2025 Accord featuring improved hardware to minimize resets. If a reboot doesn't fix your Honda Accord's display audio, perform a factory reset. First, park your vehicle and put it in accessory mode. On the touchscreen, navigate to Settings, then System, then Advanced, and select Factory Data Reset. Confirm the reset and wait for the system to reboot, which takes 5 to 10 minutes. Avoid doing this while driving. If the touchscreen is unresponsive, try voice commands or wait until safely parked. For touchscreen issues, ensure your system has the latest updates via the Honda Link app. Clean the screen with a microfiber cloth to remove dirt and improve responsiveness. If problems persist, visit a dealer for sensor calibration. User feedback shows touchscreen fixes require resets in 20 to 30% of cases.